Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Autodesk Maya and then how to install it and go from there. So the URL for this is pretty simple. It's students.autodesk.com. So as long as you're able to spell those three things and put dots in between, you should be good. So you will go to free software. And the amazing thing with Autodesk is how much free software you get. They really invest in students and how much stuff that they want you to know. Obviously, while this is loading, you can check out some of the stuff, showcasing your designs and whatnot. So there's Maya, but there's also 3ds Max, there's Tinkercad, there's Revit, there's AutoCAD. And if you hit See All Products, these are all the other products that you can get. Some notable ones that are kind of cool is Character Generator, and also Fusion 360 is a cool one. There's a Maya LT and there's a Maya Regular. So we're going to download regular Maya. A couple other ones that kind of go into this realm is Motion Builder for animation, Mudbox for sculpting. We're going to download Maya. So we'll click on it and we wait. And if you don't have an account, obviously you will create an account. You'll need to punch in your information, sign up for an account, and then most likely you'll get your information. On mine, I'm going to go to sign in. I will punch in my information. And then it'll ask you what kind of license you want. So you want a personal license. What version? So we're on 2019, but if we're not on 2019, whatever the latest one is, that's typically what we're going to be on. Obviously your operating system, so I'm in Windows right now, and then your language. And you'll get a serial number, a product key, and a file size, and you can install this on up to 2 devices. So typically you can hit install now, and if your internet connection is good, typically I'll use a browser download, and that will download the latest version of the software, and then I can start that up. I'm not going to download it right now because it already is set up. You'll also get an email from Autodesk letting you know where your stuff is at. And then once it's downloaded, you'll run through the installer just like you would any other installer. Yeses, nos, or yeses, nexts, whatever else. And then you'll get to open up Maya. 2019. Oops. Maya 2019. There we go. And when you open up Maya 2019, it'll have some licensing information. You do not want to get the 30-day trial. You want to punch in your licensing information. So it's not going to come up in this one because it's already done. But it would typically say your license is inactivated. I have a serial number. I'm going to enter the serial number. And the information you grab from that site is typically where you would punch that in. And then once you're logged in, you should see this screen here. And that's pretty much how you download Maya, register for the thing, and then are able to actually install it and use it. You want to do this ASAP so that you have all that information. You can obviously go to, once you're registered, managing your licenses and whatnot, it'll let you do that as well. Right? So that's how you're able to register, download the software, and get it.